Hello, Chilltalk English friends. Welcome back to Chilltalk English, where English feels friendly and real, not scary and perfect.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma and I'm very happy you're here. Today is super useful, like I can use this tomorrow useful.
I'm Henry, I'm calm most of the time, and I'm also the person who practices a phone call 3 times, then still says hello in a weird voice.
That is very honest and very human. If you feel nervous on the phone in English, you are not alone.
Today, we're starting a small medical series called At the Doctor's Office. In each episode, we'll follow real steps.
Step by step, from the first phone call to the clinic, to the visit, to the results. Real English for real life.
This episode is about the first step, booking a doctor's appointment by phone.
You'll hear a natural phone conversation. You'll also hear how to confirm details, how to describe symptoms without long stories, and how to ask for a time that works for you.
And we will also show you what to do when things are not perfect, like when the clinic is fully booked, or the receptionist speaks fast, or you forget a word.
Before we start the scene, here's how to learn with this episode. Keep it simple.
First, listen one time from start to end. Just listen. Try to catch the rhythm, not every word.
Second, listen again and repeat short lines out loud. Speak with us. You can copy our voice. That's called shadowing practice.
Third, write down a few power phrases, not a big list, just a few. Then use them in your life.
And one more thing, you do not need fancy medical words.
Yes, you can say, my throat hurts, I have a fever, I feel dizzy, my stomach hurts. Simple is perfect.
Okay, let's set the story. It's a weekday morning, you wake up and you feel not great.
Your head feels heavy, your nose is stuffy, and you feel warm. Not an emergency, but you want a doctor.
You decide to call a local clinic. Your heart is a little fast because it's English.
So you take a breath, you put your information on paper, name, birthday, phone number, and insurance if you have it.
Good. Now the call begins.
Scene 1. Booking the appointment.
Good morning, Maple Street Clinic. This is Henry speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to make a doctor's appointment, please.
Of course. Can I have your full name?
Yes, my name is Maya Chen.
Thank you, Miss Chen. Is this your first time at our clinic?
Yes, it's my first time.
No problem. Welcome. Can you tell me the reason for your visit? Just a short reason.
Sure, I have a bad sore throat and I feel a little feverish since last night.
Okay, sore throat and possible fever. Do you have trouble breathing or chest pain?
No, I don't.
Good. Let me check our schedule. Typing. We have an opening today at 3:10 p.m. Would that work for you?
Yes, 3:10 p.m. works for me. Thank you.
Great. Can I have your date of birth, please?
Yes, it's April 8th, 1998.
Thank you. And what is the best phone number for you?
It's 555-014-7720.
Perfect. Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do. I have Sunrise Health.
Thank you. Please bring your insurance card and a photo ID.
Okay, I will.
And please arrive about 15 minutes early. You will need to fill out a new patient form.
Sure, can I ask one question?
Of course.
Should I wear a mask?
If you have a cough or fever, yes, please. If you don't have one, we can give you one at the front desk.
Okay, great. Thanks for telling me.
You're welcome. Let me confirm everything. Maya Chen. Appointment today at 3:10 p.m. for a sore throat and feeling feverish.
Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. We will send you a text message to confirm.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. Feel better soon.
End call.
That was a clean, simple call. No long story, no stress.
And Maya sounded polite and clear. That is what we want.
Notice the key parts. You said what you want. I'd like to make a doctor's appointment.
Then you gave a short reason, sore throat and feverish. That's enough for booking.
And I asked a safety question. Breathing trouble or chest pain?
If the answer is yes, that can be more urgent. If it's no, the call can stay calm.
Also, we confirmed the details at the end. That helps avoid mistakes.
Yes, confirming is very normal in English phone calls.
Now, let's make it more real. Sometimes you want a same-day appointment, but the clinic is full.
Scene 2. No openings today.
Phone ringing.
Phone ringing. Good morning, Maple Street Clinic. This is Emma speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to see a doctor today if possible.
I understand. Let me check. Typing. I'm sorry, we are fully booked today.
Oh, okay. What times do you have tomorrow?
Tomorrow we have 9:30 a.m. or 2:50 p.m. Which one is better for you?
9:30 a.m., please. That's better.
Sure. Can I have your full name?
Yes, it's Daniel Rivera.
Thank you, Mr. Rivera. Is this your first time with us?
No, I've been there before.
Great. Can you tell me your symptoms in a few words?
Yes, I have a headache and body aches, and I feel very tired.
Okay. Any high fever, like above 102 Fahrenheit or 39 Celsius?
No, it's not high. Just a small fever.
Okay. You are booked for tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Please arrive 10 minutes early.
Okay. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
Bye. In that scene, Daniel did not get what he wanted, but he stayed calm.
That is a big communication skill. Calm English sounds confident.
He asked a helpful question. What times do you have tomorrow?
And he chose one time. Simple. No extra drama.
Also, did you hear the phrase fully booked? That means no available times.
You can also hear, we have an opening, when there is a free time.
Okay, now let's talk about a very common fear. The receptionist speaks fast, and your brain goes empty.
Yes, your mind says, I know English, and then suddenly you forget your own birthday.
That happens. So here are two lifesaver phrases.
Phrase 1, sorry, could you repeat that?
Phrase 2, could you say that more slowly, please?
Let's do a short mini scene with that. Scene 3, the receptionist is busy and a little fast.
And you stay polite.
Westlake Health Center, Emma speaking. How can I help you today?
Sorry, could you say that again more slowly, please?
Yes, of course. Westlake Health Center. This is Emma. How can I help you today?
Thank you. I'd like to book an appointment with a doctor.
Okay. Name, please.
My name is Amina Hassan.
And what's the problem today?
I feel dizzy and I feel sick to my stomach.
Okay. Any vomiting?
No vomiting, just nausea.
Any chance you are pregnant?
No.
Okay. We have a time today at 5:20 p.m.
5:20 is good.
Date of birth?
Sorry, one moment. It's written here. It's November 3rd, 2001.
No problem. And can you spell your last name for me?
Yes, Hassan.
Great. And do you have any medicine allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin.
Okay, thank you. Please bring your ID and arrive 15 minutes early.
I will. Thanks for your patience.
You're welcome. See you later today.
Bye.
That was excellent. Amina used calm, simple words. Dizzy, sick to my stomach, nausea.
And she did not try to sound like a doctor. She just explained the feeling.
Also, she said, one moment when she needed time.
That's so useful. You can say, "One moment, please," or "Let me check."
Another nice phrase, thanks for your patience. It's polite and it keeps the mood friendly.
And if you make a small grammar mistake, it's okay. People still understand you.
Let's show that because it's important for beginners.
Yes, real conversations are teamwork.
I'll be the patient and I'll make a small mistake. You help me, Emma.
Okay, let's do it. Good afternoon, Westlake Health Center. How can I help you?
Hi, I want make appointment.
No problem. You'd like to make an appointment, right?
Yes, I'd like to make an appointment.
Great. See, it's friendly correction, not a test.
Exactly. You don't need perfect English to book a doctor visit.
Now, let's do pronunciation tips. Very simple.
Just a few words.
Appointment. The stress is on the second part. Appointment.
Fever. 2 syllables. Fever.
Dizzy. Dizzy.
Allergy. Allergy.
Don't worry if it's not perfect. Clear is the goal.
Okay, now we turn this episode into practice.
Scene 4. Practice time. You can repeat after us.
You can do this in your room, on a walk, or on a bus. Quiet voice is fine.
I will be the receptionist. You are the caller.
Speak slowly. Use short sentences.
Good morning, River Park Clinic. This is Emma. How can I help you?
Now you say, "Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment, please."
Great. Next line. Can I have your full name, please?
Now you say your name. Use your real name.
Thank you. Is this your first time at our clinic?
Now you say, yes, it's my first time. Or, no, I've been there before.
Okay. What is the reason for your visit?
Now you choose one. You can say, I have a sore throat. Or, I have a headache. Or, my stomach hurts.
Do you have trouble breathing?
Now you say, no, I don't. Or, no, nothing like that.
We have an opening tomorrow at 10:40 a.m. Does that work for you?
Now you say, yes, that works for me. Or, sorry, do you have an afternoon time?
Perfect. Can I have your phone number, please?
Now you say your number slowly.
Please arrive 10 to 15 minutes early to fill out a form.
Now you say, okay, thank you for your help.
Wonderful. See you then.
Nice job.
If you want to level up, do it again with a different emotion.
Day 1, tired voice. Day 2, calm voice. Day 3, cheerful voice.
Because English is not only words, it's also feeling.
And when you practice with feeling, you remember faster.
Now, Henry, you be the receptionist and I'll be the patient, but give me a tricky question.
Oh no, okay, I will try. Good afternoon, Pine Hill Medical Clinic. This is Henry speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment.
Sure. What symptoms are you having today?
I have a rash on my arm. It's itchy.
Okay. How long have you had it?
For 3 days.
Any swelling on your face or trouble breathing?
No, I can breathe fine.
Okay. We can see you today at 6 p.m.
6 p.m. is great.
Please bring your ID and arrive 15 minutes early.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you soon.
Bye.
That sounded very natural, and you used itchy. That is a great simple word.
Thank you. And you asked good safety questions. Face swelling and breathing problems can be serious.
Quick reminder, this podcast is for English practice,
not medical advice.
Yes, if you have strong pain, trouble breathing, or you feel unsafe, get help right away.
Now we're close to the end.
Scene 5. The calm wrap-up.
Today, you learned how to book a doctor's appointment in English. You learned how to start the call, describe symptoms simply, choose a time, and confirm details.
And you learned rescue phrases for phone stress, like, could you repeat that? And could you say that more slowly?
You also heard that mistakes are okay. Real people help you.
Your job is clear communication, not perfect grammar.
If you want a simple homework plan, do this for 3 days.
Day 1, listen and enjoy. Day 2, repeat and shadow. Day 3, role play and change details.
And write 3 phrases you want to keep. Only 3.
For example, I'd like to make an appointment. Would that work for you? Please arrive early.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We're proud of you. Phone calls in English are hard, but you're getting stronger.
Keep it gentle. Keep it daily.
And we'll see you in the next medical episode on Chilltalk English.
Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.